So today I'm gonna try out a makeup product. I know it's been out on the market for a while, but I finally was able to get my hands on it in my local Target, and we're going to review it today. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I'm gonna be trying it as a primer and to set my face. And I'm running out of this one, but I usually get the niacinamide one. So it separates, as you can see, but you gotta give it like a little shake first. I'm gonna just mist it over top. And it does have like a very fine mist, like it's not like super thick. I thought it was super thick and you could barely feel it going on your skin, but as you can see, my face is wet, so it is on. The key to the Power Grip Primer to let it set and dry a little bit so it can get nice and tacky and it'll stick onto your makeup. So the face is done. I'm just going to set it, and then I usually like to mist my face and then put on my highlighter. So that's what we're gonna do. You really want all products melt into one another. I'm gonna mist it one more time. We'll see how it wears out throughout the day, but this melted my makeup into one another very nicely. So far, I really like this setting spray. Right now, I'm loving it. Doing a light check-in. It's 8:40, around that, like at nighttime. I did this makeup like around 3:45 p.m. I was eating a burrito. I have a lot of wear and tear here. I'm gonna take off my makeup soon. I'd say it held up pretty well throughout the day. That's me eating and drinking. But other than that, like this upper half looks great.